I haven't been mountain biking in over a year. I'm a little out of shape, but my bike has been suffering as a result. She seems sick and depressed from being in storage for so long. I think there is only one cure. I must get her back on a mountain bike trail. This is my show. I decided I should rush to the nearest mountain biking trail system in the area. I pass Chattanooga's booming car industry as I approach Enterprise South Nature Park. I do my best to obey the park's speed limit as I make my way toward the back where the logarithm trail awaits. Man and bike find out what kind of shape each is in. Well, I think my bike's gonna pull through, and I think I'm gonna make it too. Whew, that was a fun ride. Thanks for watching. Come back next time.